Hello artists, and welcome to my art lesson channel for toddlers, preschoolers, and kindergarten. In this art lesson, we are going to draw and paint a big bubblegum machine. Let's get our paint ready. For this art lesson, you will need silver, white, black, red, green, yellow, orange, blue, and pink. Next, we'll get our art supplies ready. For this art lesson, we will need a cereal bowl turned upside down, a pencil, a few paintbrushes, and some pom-poms. We will begin our drawing by tracing all around the cereal bowl to create a big circle. Then we'll draw 2 lines to create the bottom of the bubblegum machine. Now we'll draw a little bump on the top of the bubblegum machine. This will be the lid. You can use your eraser to erase any lines you don't want. For the last step of our drawing, we will draw a little door. This door looks like an upside-down letter U. Now we're ready to paint. Take your big paintbrush and we will mix white with a little tiny bit of black. This will create the color gray. Be sure to mix the white and black paint together very well. Now we'll take the gray paint and paint the entire circle gray. Paint carefully all along the edge to create a nice, big, neat circle. Do you know all the flavors of bubblegum? The red bubblegum is usually flavored cherry or strawberry. A green gumball usually tastes like lime or green apple. A yellow gumball tastes like lemon or sometimes banana. The orange gumball usually tastes like an orange or like a peach. A blue gumball tastes like blue raspberry. And a pink gumball usually tastes like watermelon. What's your favorite flavor? My favorite flavor is banana. All right, we're almost finished painting our big gray circle. Then we'll move on to the color red and paint the top and the bottom of our gumball machine. Just a little more gray paint and our big circle will be complete. Now we'll clean our paintbrush. Dip your paintbrush up and down in the water and get it nice and clean. Now we'll use the red paint. You may want to use a smaller paintbrush for this part. Take your small paintbrush and dip it in a little bit of red paint. Now we'll paint the top of the bubblegum machine, and now we'll paint the bottom of the bubblegum machine. Just make sure not to paint the little door. In the next step, we will paint this little door silver. Remember to take your time and do the best job you can. Don't forget to clean your paintbrush. Now we'll take our paintbrush and give it a good splishity splash in our water jar. It's time to use the silver paint. Pick up a little bit of silver paint with your paintbrush and begin to paint the little door. Our little silver door looks very good. Now we'll wash our paintbrush. Now let's make a little bit of dark red paint. Mix a little bit of red with a very tiny bit of black. Then mix these colors together really well. Now use your paintbrush to paint a very thin line on the lid of the bubblegum machine. Then, using this same dark red paint, paint a very thin line along the bottom of the bubblegum machine. And now it's time to clean our paintbrush again. Make sure to get all the paint off your brush. Next, we'll use the pom-pom. We'll create all kinds of colorful gumballs with this little fuzzy pom-pom. Let's begin with the color green. Dip your pom-pom into the green paint and then stamp it onto the paper. Give the pom-pom a little wiggle as you stamp it onto your paper. Create lots of green gumballs, but leave space for the other colors. We still have to make yellow, orange, blue, and pink gumballs. Now clean your pom-pom off on a piece of paper towel, or you could use a new clean pom-pom. Then dip your pom-pom in the blue paint. After you've dipped your pom-pom in the blue paint, stamp it onto your painting. Using a clean pom-pom, we will make some yellow gumballs. Make as many yellow gumballs as you like. This gumball machine is looking very colorful. Next, use a clean pom-pom and make lots of orange gumballs. Now we'll make some red gumballs. Create some red gumballs in the empty spaces. Our gumball machine is almost finished. Great work today! In this last step, we will add some pink gumballs. Then our painting will be finished. Create some pink gumballs in all the little spaces left. I hope you had fun drawing and painting today. Be sure to check out my other videos and come back again and paint with me. And please give this video a like if you had lots of fun today. Thanks for stopping by my art channel. In a while, crocodile!